Welcome to EVOL Network, the ultimate affiliate marketing platform. We are back with another video to help you complete the KYC verification process to keep your EVOL coins safe. Doing so will prevent any unauthorized access to your account. Here is how you can proceed ahead. Log into EVOL Network and go to your dashboard. Scroll to the bottom of the left corner and click on KYC Verification. You have to complete these 4 steps to complete the process. The first step is to provide your personal details. You need to fill in all your details, as per your passport or driving license, and click Submit. Your personal details have been saved successfully. To verify your phone number, click on Verify Your Phone Number. You will get OTP on your provided phone number. Now, you need to add OTP for verification of your phone number. Your phone number is verified successfully. If you wish to change your country later, you will have to repeat this process. Once you have saved your details, if you wish you can go back and update them again. The next step is identity verification. Please upload any 2 of these personal documents. Before uploading, read all the instructions carefully. Open the tab of the document you want to upload. Click on Choose File to upload your image file, and then click on Submit. You have to repeat this process again. Once you have uploaded both documents, only then you can move on to the next step. Your document has been uploaded successfully. Now, you need to provide your current residential address. You need to fill in the details. Also, you need to upload either a bank statement or any utility bill as proof of address. Before uploading, read all the instructions carefully. Click on Choose File to upload your image file, and then click on Submit. Your residential address has been saved successfully. That brings us to the last part, which is face verification. You need to upload a video of 10 seconds. Before uploading, read all the instructions carefully. To start recording, click Start Camera. If you wish, you can complete this step from your phone. Either scan this QR code, or copy this link. Once you have completed this step from your phone, click here to proceed ahead. To continue from your PC or laptop, please allow your camera and microphone to record. Click on Record to start. Your camera will start recording. Wait for 10 seconds to complete. Once the video gets recorded, you can either record again, play, or click on Upload your video. Once you have uploaded the video, your video is pending for verification. Great! You have finished the KYC verification process from your end. We will revert after validating and verifying your information in 3 to 4 working days. If you complete some steps but want to make changes, you can go back and do so. Once we have completed KYC verification from our end, your details will not be changed. Please contact our support team when you want to make any modifications. Thank you for watching this video. If you wish to watch more such videos, do like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell icon to get the latest notifications from the EVOL Network YouTube channel.